Thank you for calling the Public Defender for St. Charles and Warren counties. If you know your party's extension, then you may dial it at any time. For a list of attorneys, please press 1. For a list of support staff, please press 2. To speak with the receptionist, please press 0. Thank you for...
Wait while I transfer your call. Public Defender's Office.
Hello, my name is Joe Pierce. I have a case number. I am calling the Public Defender's Office so that I can get a public defender attached to my case as an assistant so that the motions I've filed can be refiled with a bar member's signature and the power of that card on them. So I need to meet with the Public Defender's Office. This is actually, and I know that my emergencies are not it doesn't make an emergency for your department. Like, I totally get it. But I have not been allowed the assistance of counsel, and I'm being threatened with a year in jail starting in about 2.5 weeks. I have 15 months of CaseNet history that no one has to believe these opinions I'm telling you, ma'am. You just look at the CaseNet and all the facts are there that I'm telling you here is true. I'm not allowed a lawyer and did not enter any plea on the record, and they just lied and said I did. They removed the judge that I'd been working with for a year for corruption. The presiding judge removed Judge Sandcork from the case with no explanation whatsoever, no consent of mine, no agreement, and now this new guy's coming in, absolute domestic terrorist, and just shredding the Bill of Rights in half. I have no assistance of counsel rights, and I've been desperately wanting the assistance of counsel. So I'm coming to your office with a desperate need of help, and you're welcome to have any reaction you want, and that's fine with me.
Okay. I'm not an attorney, Mr. Pierce, so I won't have any sort of advice for you.
Ma'am,
I would need you to fill out an application for a public defender. Have you done that yet?
No, I have not. I have a hearing today at 1:30 that I'm requesting either anyone from the Public Defender's Office attend, especially given the fact that I have a YouTube channel and I have published and the court hearings, the last 4 that I've been in. I paid for the first 3, and a neutral third party who couldn't believe what he was hearing recorded the 4th one, contacted me because my contact information is on CaseNet, and gave it to me, so I posted it. This is in direct disagreement with what all those judges are saying when they post no recording, but don't cite a citation or a statute whatsoever underneath it for any authority. So I'm going to be thrown in jail today. I'm obviously recording this conversation. My YouTube channel is 11 years old, and I have a long history of doing this exact type of thing and helping everybody else do it too, professionally. So I'm just being calm, and man, I want to be as professional and kind and respectful for anybody in the Public Defender's Office. And thank you for listening to me very patiently and not interrupting. I have nothing more to say. I'm just recording the Public Defender's Office with me going to court in starts at 1:30, so that's about 2 hours.
Understood.
Okay.
So what I can do on my end is I can let my supervisor know that you have court at 1:30. Since we don't represent you, I don't know what she's going to be able to do for you, but the best I can do is let her know what's going on.
I'll be requesting to get my right to assistance of counsel met by the St. Charles County Public Defender's Office. I will be requesting that from Judge Johnson. Just so you know. So if you're there, it'll show. I'll tell him I made this phone call. Now, if you can't because you're busy, believe me, I'm well educated on what a public defender's office is. I get it, and I have no expectations. I'm simply recording that I'm providing the information.
Understood.
Okay.
And as soon as I hang up with you, I'm going to let my supervisor know what's going on, okay?
Would you like my case number? Because your supervisor's going to want that.
If I have your name, I should be able to look it up, but I'll take your case number just in case.
It's 2411-CR03275, and my full name that you'll need to get it on CaseNet is Joseph Brandon Pierce. Pierce like you pierce your ear.
Got it.
I have
2411-CR03275.
Correct. And I'm basically just going to have them refile all the motions with the lawyer's signature on them. And I'll get all these charges dismissed. They don't have to do anything else. I've done all the work. And if I'm wrong, I'll go to jail, and you won't be out anything anyway. So.
Okay. I'll let my supervisor know what's going on. I'm not sure what she'll be able to do for you today, but I will give her a heads up that you have court at 1:30, okay?
You know, ma'am, I appreciate your help. Not everybody shows that kind of patience and professionalism, and when I get it, I say thank you. So thank you. Have a good afternoon.
All right. Bye.
All right, bye-bye.